Hey, Youth Services librarians, it's summer. Are you ready? The Indiana Young Reader Center is here to help. Need a last minute idea for a summer program? Why not check out a book club kit? Hi, I'm Suzanne Walker. I will personally make sure that you are satisfied with your books. This summer, we're talking animals. From early literacy to school age to teens, we've got you covered. We have books about so many different kinds of animals, it's like a zoo in here. From books about toads to books about hogs and books about narwhals to books about dogs. And more books about dogs. We have kind of a lot of books about dogs. We have chickens and mice and dogs on the ice. That's Indiana author Helen Frost. Love her. We even have books about animals that maybe aren't really animals. The Water Horse an animal? Can I do monsters this summer? With so many fantastic books to choose from, you're sure to find a book that's just right for your book club, no matter what age you're working with. We even have books about turtles. No, I feel like that's a little bit of a stretch. For more information and to reserve your kit, head on over to our website. Each kit includes 15 copies of the title of your choice and a folder of resources and discussion questions. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this thing. So reach out if you have any questions. We hope to get a new reservation going for you today. So long. Happy summer.